is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it. Good job you things are like. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the floor. Hey all, so I'm just going to cut up some badge templates and I thought I'd film myself while I'm at it, so enjoy. Okay, so we've done loads. So there's 2 different pumpkin ones in here. Trick or Treat and that faith. There are more to come. These are just the ones I've got done. So that's in the small, the medium, and the large. So they're all in there. My hands aren't big enough. And then the same goes. There is small, medium, and large of the rather rude but fun cauldron. There is less rude cauldron ones. There are some that say Trick or Treat, and some ones without writing on that. They will be coming. I just haven't had a chance to print them out yet and make them, so they will be coming. And then obviously the small, the medium, and the large with the butterfly. There will be other butterflies coming. These are just the only ones I've had a chance to do as well at the moment, but there's a lot. I think we've done rather well. What do you think? Now to get photographs and list them all up on the shop so you can actually buy them. They are proper pin badges. As you can see, they have a sharp pin, so these aren't suitable for young children, because you don't want to stab anyone with them obviously, but hopefully some of you will enjoy them and want to go and buy them. So do check out Alicorn Gifts. They will be up there, photographs, so you can have a look at them and see the different sizes, and the rest of the ones that are to come. We'll get another video when I've got them made, so you know to check out the shop for them as well. So hope you enjoyed this. See you later. Bye.